Okay, they brought us to a goat farm. You see the goat? There you are. You can hear them. Can you hear them? Looking at us. It knows to look at us. So I told them I want to look at cows, so they brought me to a ranch. He was riding it. Mara, yeah, it gets angry. Yeah, it's pooing. He's trying to do it again. Please be careful. Oh, he's riding it. But they say not to do it when they're eating. They brought us to a goat farm where the goat stays and where they keep the goats. You see the goat? Here you are. Matt! It does not cry back. Look, they're eating the leaves. Matt! This is the village life, not the city life in Malaysia. You can hear them. Can you hear them? Matt! Look, it's all like looking at us. It knows to look at us. It's not tied up, but it knows to look at us. Maybe it thinks we're like goats, but it's like looking at us. Oh, and it's answering. Meh! Oh, doesn't answer me. 它不听我，我叫它没有回答我。Wow. Oh look, it knows to go up on its own. Wow. Oh, they're all going back. Look at them, they're all going back up. They're all going home. They're so cute. Oh, it's drinking. Yeah, it's drinking the mommy's milk. This is thanks to my cousin's wife and like her sister and husband brought us here. This is where they live. Oh, and this is something else. This is rubber? Oh, rubber? So this is a rubber tree. This is where, like, you know, the rubber that you use to make tires. And this is how you collect the sap. So you see this? This is the sap from the tree. And this is how you collect the rubber before the sap, before it's made into like tires and rubber. I've never seen one up close. Okay. We gotta go. Okay, so I told them I want to look at cows, so they brought me to a ranch. Wow, so big. It's a very big one, actually. Bigger than the ones we saw earlier. Let me see. Yuck! It's pooing. But it's a very, very big cow, size-wise. And I'm not sure if it's like, there are lots of things biting me right now. They're like mosquitoes. Huh? Oh, wow, they're eating. That's how they feed. Oh. Mosquitoes are biting me. Oh, they're asking me to touch it. Aww. I think it's a milk cow. No? Yeah, I think it's for milk. I'm not sure. But yeah, now that I've seen cow up close. Oh. This is boy, right? Boy, not girl. Yeah, because it has horn. It has a horn. Boy. Oh, okay. Oh, so I'm wrong. That one is not. That's a male. This is a male. A male one. He really likes it. He was riding it. He can ride it. Boleh tak? Boleh. Mara. Yeah, it gets angry. So don't. Yeah. So don't disturb it. Yeah. Oh, he's trying to do it again. Please be careful. Oh, he's riding it. But they say not to do it when they're eating. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Thank you. Hi guys. Here at my cousin's wife's mom's house. There's a really cute duck there. Look, it's drinking water. This is a rambutan tree. She's trying a green one. There's chickens, so they're running away from us. It's not spiky, by the way, like even though it looks coconut tree. Look, this one's growing new ones. I better not stand right under it, might fall on my head. Okay, this is a jackfruit tree. Apparently there is one, a baby one. Oh, adult! Wow, it's a really big one. Wow.